Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best robot vacuum mops that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Bagot Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This budget-friendly option is an excellent entry-level device for those new to robot vacuum mops. It features a 2-in-1 cleaning system, allowing it to vacuum and mop simultaneously. With 4,000 pas of suction power, it effectively picks up dust, debris, and pet hair, making it a solid choice for pet owners and those with primarily hard floors. The dual rotating side brushes ensure edges and corners are cleaned thoroughly. In terms of design, the Bagot A21 is sleek and compact, with a low profile of just 3 inches. This allows it to glide effortlessly under furniture and hard-to-reach areas. The build quality is decent for its price range, and it comes with a high-capacity 2600 mAh battery that provides up to 120 minutes of runtime. It also supports app and voice control via Google Assistant, giving you flexibility in setting schedules and cleaning modes. However, there are some limitations. It lacks advanced navigation, like lidar, and has a more randomized cleaning pattern, which may leave some spots untouched. While it's not the most feature-rich robot vacuum, its affordability and basic functionality make it a great choice for smaller homes or as a secondary device. Pros include its low price, strong suction, and app integration, while cons involve the lack of advanced mapping and average mopping performance. At number 3, we have the Umund Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This model is a strong contender in the mid-range category, offering a well-rounded set of features at a competitive price point. With 2,000 PA of adjustable suction power and a 2-in-1 cleaning system that includes separate water and dust tanks, the Umund T7S is capable of vacuuming and mopping simultaneously. It's particularly effective on hard floors and low-pile carpets, making it ideal for homes with mixed flooring. The design is modern and compact, with a height of just 2.8 inches, allowing it to clean under furniture with ease. It boasts a 2600 mAh battery that delivers up to 180 minutes of runtime in quiet mode, covering areas up to 1,937 square feet. The T7S also includes smart app control via the Tuya Smart app, as well as voice compatibility with Google Assistant, making it convenient to operate. With 4 cleaning modes and a brushless motor that minimizes hair wrap, it's a reliable option for pet owners. While it offers a lot of value, the lack of advanced navigation or lidar mapping means it relies on infrared sensors for navigation, which can be less precise. Additionally, its suction power, while sufficient for most tasks, may not be enough for thicker carpets. Overall, the Umund T7S balances performance and price well, offering great value for medium-sized homes. Pros include its long battery life, adjustable suction, and smart features, while cons involve limited navigation capabilities and average performance on carpets. At number 2 is the Iton Robot Vacuum and Mop with Self-Emptying. This model is a significant step up in terms of automation and power. With 5,000 power of suction power, it's one of the most powerful robot vacuums on this list, capable of handling everything from pet hair to larger debris. It also features lidar navigation for precise mapping and route planning, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning across all surfaces. The standout feature here is the self-emptying dust bin, which allows for 60 days of hands-free cleaning. This is perfect for busy households or anyone who wants a truly low-maintenance device. The Iton BL20 Pro includes smart app control, Alexa compatibility, and the ability to set no-go zones, making it highly customizable. Its 4-in-1 design allows for sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, and self-emptying, making it a comprehensive cleaning solution. However, at $279.99, it's on the pricier side for mid-range models. While the cleaning performance is excellent, the higher price point might not be justifiable for smaller homes or those without pets. Still, its powerful suction, hands-free maintenance, and advanced navigation make it a premium choice for those willing to invest. Pros include its self-emptying capability, powerful suction, and advanced mapping, while cons are its price and slightly larger footprint. Finally, at number 1, we have the Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the most premium option on this list. This high-end model offers unparalleled cleaning performance, with advanced features like matrix clean for multiple passes over dirt and debris, delivering 30% better carpet cleaning compared to standard single-pass vacuums. Its powerful suction and sonic mopping capabilities make it ideal for tackling everything from pet hair to tough stains on hard floors. One of the standout features is the HEPA bagless self-emptying base, which holds up to 60 days of debris. This means you can enjoy nearly 2 months of hands-free cleaning before needing to empty the bin. The precision 360 degrees lidar mapping ensures highly accurate navigation, while the Clean Edge Detect system uses air blasts to clean corners and edges more effectively than standard models. Additionally, the Shark AV2610WA is perfect for allergy sufferers, thanks to its HEPA filtration system that traps 99.97% of allergens. At $349.99, this is the most expensive model on our list, but the price is justified by its premium build quality, advanced technology, and outstanding performance. This is the ultimate choice for large homes, pet owners, or anyone looking for top-tier convenience and cleaning power. Pros include its advanced mapping, self-emptying bin, and powerful performance, while cons are its higher price and slightly bulky design. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.